Hey everybody, it's Kate, Bergen, and Georgia from wildtales.com, where we share about family travel and outdoor adventure. Earlier in the week, a rock painting kit came in the mail. Well, we had ordered it. And I can link it below in case you're interested. We were walking to downtown Seattle to meet Slade, and so we are going to place some of the rocks that we painted along our route here. So here we go.
So we got this guy, Rockstar, and Shine.
Oh, that's the one I made. So we are at the Seattle U campus right now at the St. Ignatius Chapel, and this is where Slade and I got married. It's coming up on 11 years ago, and so I put our last rock right here, and this is where the bells actually are, and we got to ring the bells at the top of this tower after we got married. Kind of a bummer. I was showing the kids this Freeway Park, and whenever I've been, they have like water flowing and fountainy, and it's not going on right now. And then usually there's events, but COVID-19 happened. What did you find?
Our chain.
Seattle Spillers. Slade is on this ferry right here.
We're gonna go to that.
Wave to Dad.